In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer stocks from Robinhood to Robinhood. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Some disclaimers that you need to keep in mind is that first, you need the latest version of the Robinhood app in order to properly transfer your assets into Robinhood. After you ensure that you are running the latest version of the app, first, open the app up. Click on your icon at the bottom right corner of the app. When you go to your profile page, you can click the three lines at the top right corner of your profile page to access the menu. Inside the menu, you should have the transfers option under investing and above statements and history. Click on transfers and you will be redirected to a page where you have to choose from a lot of options. Choose the one that most satisfies you, but the one you're probably looking for is transfer accounts into Robinhood. After you select transfer accounts into Robinhood, you need to select a brokerage. So find the brokerage you want to transfer into your Robinhood account portfolio and enter the account number. Confirm the account name, and after you confirm all the data, it's going to tell you if the account is eligible for a transfer because some accounts will not be accepted into Robinhood. After it is accepted, you can choose to do a partial transfer or a full transfer. Regardless of which you choose, as long as it's eligible, your assets will be transferred over. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer stocks from Robinhood to Robinhood. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.